Do you have a feeling that your skincare products are no longer working? You may have found a very beautiful product that you used on your face that performed so well. And then suddenly, after maybe 2 months, 5 months, or even 1 year, or even longer, you realize or you start feeling like the product is not working anymore. You're not alone. Today, I'm going to explain some of the reasons why you feel your skincare products are no longer effective. One of the reasons could be that your skincare products have acclimated to your skin. Does that make sense? So basically, you feel like your product is not working, but they're actually working. So they basically have gotten used to your skin and they're still performing their wonders, but it's not as visible as it used to be. That's because your skincare products have, acclimated with your skin. So for example, there's a product we have, and that product initially will give you some skin peeling. You see some visible peeling on your skin. But as soon as your skin becomes acclimated with this product, you don't see the peeling anymore because your skin has gotten used to the ingredients and the formula of the product. That doesn't mean the product is not doing its work. It just means that your skin is now used to the product. Another reason could be that your skin has achieved a balance. What this means is basically your skin is now healthy. So some of the dramatic side effects that you saw from the beginning of using this product is no more there because your skin has become healthy. As long as your skin feels and looks healthy, your products are probably still working. Another reason could be that your needs have changed. So if you are using a skincare product for a long period of time and your skin becomes used to those ingredients and used to those products and used to all of the formulas and all of that jazz, it could mean that your skin now needs something different. Your skin needs evolve over time, which can render products that used to be very effective no longer effective. Factors like hormonal changes, factors like environmental changes. For example, when I moved from Port Harcourt to Abuja, my magnificent, effective skincare routine was no longer doing it for me. That's because the formula that I was using was more inclined to the environment that I was living in. And once I moved my environment, I needed to switch my formula. And I didn't figure that on time until it was almost too late. Not too late, but I figured it out eventually. So basically, products that you were using when you were in your 20s, in your 30s, may not work when you get to your 35, 40s, if that makes sense. Environmental changes, hormonal changes, all of these things are things that can render your products ineffective on your skin. Another thing could be that your products have actually expired. Yes, most skincare products have a specific time that you should use them after opening. If your skincare products are not effective anymore, it means that it could have expired. Now, most skincare products have expiring date, and using them beyond their expired dates can potentially cause bacterial infection and a lot of acne breakouts for you. It is important to always check your skincare products to be sure that these products are still effective, meaning they are still good for you to use. Because if you use products that are expired, chances are they've started growing bacteria, and when you put those products on your skin, you may end up having bacterial infections, dermatitis of all sorts, and so many other skin conditions that may come with this. So you have to be very careful. Always look out for these logos on your skincare products. I'm going to put them here on the screen for you guys to see. This means that these are the number of months that your products should still be in use. After these number of months, your product is no longer effective or no longer fit to use. Or the product that you bought just could be fake. Yes, it could be a knockoff. So always be careful. It is very important to buy your skincare products from authorized sellers or reputable sellers of skincare formulators who actually are reachable, and you can reach out to them, let them know what you're experiencing so that that can influence their product story for the next upgrade that they may decide to do. Now, the final one on this list is probably the formula for that product has changed, or you are using a knockoff. From time to time, a company might switch up or improve their skincare formulas. Sometimes it is not a significant enough reason to impact the efficacy of the product. It could be just a color change, a fragrance change, but not always. Sometimes they actually dramatically change the formula, and then you end up having issues with this formula because it no longer gives you the same efficacy that you used to have. Have you ever experienced a skincare product suddenly stop working on you? Let me know in the comment section. Let's discuss. If this was helpful, you're welcome.